Hey there, friends. It's Pharmacist Michael. Are you lifting consistently, but your gains have hit a wall? Feeling strong, but the pump fades fast, and recovery feels slower than it used to? If you're over 30 or pushing hard at the gym, you might be missing a simple but powerful tool in your stack. TMG, trimethylglycine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stack TMG for weightlifting, how it works, what to take it with, and the exact timing and dosing to maximize strength, performance, and recovery. So let's dive in. This methyl donor might be the most underrated tool in your lifting arsenal. Trimethylglycine, also known as TMG, is a compound found naturally in beets, spinach, and whole grains. But in supplement form, it's a game changer for athletes. Here's what makes it special. It acts like a methyl donor, supporting neurotransmitter balance and mood. It helps convert homocysteine into methionine, a key process for muscle recovery and cardiovascular health. And it supports cellular hydration, which can enhance strength and endurance, much like creatine. In other words, it helps you train harder, recover faster, and feel better doing it. Let's get into how to stack it the right way. TMG doesn't build muscle directly, but it unlocks the conditions that do. So here's the thing. TMG doesn't act like creatine or testosterone, but it's indirect, but powerful. It supports methylation, which helps you produce SAMe, creatine, dopamine, and even epinephrine. That translates to better energy, mental focus, and recovery. It also reduces homocysteine levels, supporting your heart as you lift heavy. For lifters, this means enhanced muscle power and output, improved muscle repair, reduced inflammation, and boosted hormonal balance. You may not feel it instantly, but over time, TMG supports the biochemical environment for muscle growth. This is where the magic happens. Synergy. TMG plus the right stack equals real results. Here's my go-to TMG lifting stack. Start with TMG, 500 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams daily, in powder form or capsule. See the description section for brands that I recommend. This is best taken pre-workout or in the morning with your methylation support stack. Creatine monohydrate. TMG works synergistically. Both support cellular hydration and methyl group recycling. 5 grams daily anytime. But pair with TMG for extra benefit. Betaine anhydrous. This is the same as TMG in most cases. If your supplement says betaine anhydrous, that's just another name for TMG. This is great for power output and muscle endurance, especially at 2.5 grams pre-workout. L-citrulline or citrulline malate. This boosts nitric oxide, which improves blood flow and performance. Combine this with TMG for increased stamina and vascularity. 6 to 8 grams, 30 to 60 minutes pre-workout. B12 and folate in the methylated forms. These help recycle homocysteine and support methylation. Methylcobalamin, or B12, and L5-MTHF, which is folate. These stack beautifully with TMG for mood and recovery. Think of TMG as the metabolic spark plug, and these other nutrients as the fuel. Timing matters. Here's how to take TMG like a pro. There are 2 ideal ways to take TMG for lifting. Option 1, pre-workout stack, TMG 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams, creatine 5 grams, and citrulline malate 6 to 8 grams. Mix 30 minutes before you lift. And add electrolytes if you're sweating heavy. Option 2, morning methylation stack. TMG 500 to 1,000 milligrams, B12 methylcobalamin 500 to 1,000 micrograms, and folate as L5-MTHF 400 to 800 micrograms. Take with water or food if sensitive. Some people feel an immediate mental clarity boost, while others notice improved work capacity and recovery over time. Stick with it. Just because it's natural doesn't mean it's for everyone. TMG is generally very safe, but let's keep it smart. Here's what to watch for. Some people may feel jittery or overstimulated at high doses, especially if they're already taking high levels of methyl donors. If you're MTHFR positive, you may benefit more from TMG, but you still want to balance it with B12 and folate. TMG may lower homocysteine, which is good, but oversupplementation could reduce it too much. Keep an eye if you're running labs. Don't take it right before bed. It can be a little activating for some folks. And of course, always consult your healthcare provider if you're on medications, especially antidepressants, or have heart conditions. TMG isn't magic, but it might be your missing link. So if you're lifting hard, chasing strength, and want to optimize your body's internal chemistry, TMG deserves a spot in your stack. It's affordable, research-backed, and plays well with others, especially if you're already taking creatine or citrulline. Have you tried TMG in your stack? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you noticed or what else you stack with it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your lifting buddy who's always chasing that extra edge. Until next time, be strong, be smart, and be healthy. My name's Pharmacist Michael, and I'll see you in the next video.